Alright, today I'm going to show you how you can convert an Excel file into a Google Sheet. So here's our Excel file that we want to convert into Google Sheets for whatever the reason might be. Now the first step is making sure that this file, that this workbook is saved and you know the location of where it's saved. So once this file is saved, you can navigate to a new Google Sheet, which you can do so from your Google Drive. So when you're at your Google Drive here, you can go up to New and select Google Sheets, and that will load a brand new Google Sheet for you. Now what you can do is go up to File, Import, and this little menu will pop up, and you'll have 4 different options to import a new file. You can import directly from your Google Drive, something that might be shared with you, your recent documents, but in this case we're going to be going to the far right Upload tab, which will allow us to browse our computer to find the file that we're looking to import. So we'll go ahead and select Browse, and we'll navigate to the file that we had previously saved that we would like to import into Google Sheets. So we'll select that file, go ahead and hit Open, and then this will pop up asking you where you would like to import this file. You can either create a new spreadsheet, insert this into a new sheet, or replace the spreadsheet that you currently have open. And since this is a brand new blank spreadsheet, we'll just replace the entire spreadsheet, and then we can select Import Data. And once it's fully imported, we can see that our entire file that was previously in Excel is now in Google Sheets. Now, one thing to note when importing Excel files into Google Sheets, or vice versa, is sometimes the formatting might not transfer 100%. So that's just something to look out for, is when you import anything into Google Sheets, you just want to give a quick look over to make sure that everything looks the same. There weren't any errors when you imported it. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and have such a great rest of your day.